This video will show you how to use the palm termination tool. Notice the engraved part numbers 40735 and 40734 for the S-Video and RCA 110 connectors. Also the 5G110 and the 61110 are 5E and Cat6 connectors. Now I'll show you how to insert each connector appropriately. First is the Cat5e connector. Make sure the notch on the bottom of the jack is lined up with the notch on the mold in the termination tool. The S-Video and RCA 110 connectors should be placed in the bottom mold as shown. The palm tool also has a cable holder in front, which allows the cable to be held in place and makes it easier for the installer to lace the wires into the IDC. Notice the 4 holes in the palm termination tool. They're for mounting the tool to a 19-inch rack either vertically or horizontally. Flip the palm termination tool over and you'll notice a location for the 5G108 connector. Flip the connector over and place it into the tool as shown.